Hey y'all.
Walk in your trap and take over. Name another it's colder. I just bought a brand new Rover. I don't even drive no more, I got a chauffeur. Took off, man, they asking me to slow up. Getting wiser and my money getting older. I ain't even gon' hold it.
Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Deekay. And I'm back with another video. I'm about to go to the gym.
And I'm about to play with the kids.
And yeah, my baby hair looks a mess, okay? Right now, I ain't regret it because I'm just gonna go to the gym, but
What you just say?
but nothing. So this is what I got on. So I got on a Nike jacket, and then some black tights, and then my Avias. That's what I got on right now.
Dad, I did put
I'm about to go to the gym. I look so cute. I still haven't opened my new camera yet, but I am in a minute. I'm gonna open it in a minute. Yeah, I don't want to put y'all right there. I'm trying to put y'all high. So I put this heavy on. I'm trying to put y'all high, so I put this heavy on. I was supposed to be counting my money before I go to the gym. I'm not gonna bring my camera if I record. That's gonna be off my phone.
Mama, smell me. Mom, smell me.
It's not good. It's really good.
They're gonna put.
Dang, my Apple Watch probably dead. I look cute though. Okay, what time is it? I hope you know what percent my phone on. No, that's my phone.
Yeah, I'm real good.
My phone is on 83. That's good enough. It's 242. We don't live that far from there. We live like. Put your coat on. I need a purse. I'm gonna just bring my jacket. Put your coat on, D2.
The coat.
Huh?
The coat.
That one, that black one over there.
Boing. Boing.
Okay. I gotta take a picture for my thumbnail. Hold on. Okay, y'all. I'll call y'all back once I get to the gym. Yeah. Oh, I just put my phone in my coat. I don't know where my phone go. I'll call y'all back once I get to the gym. Okay, y'all. So I'm back from the store. I meant the store. There's the store. I'm back from the gym. We went to the store because I'm finna cook us some hamburger helper. Yeah, we're going back to the gym later.
I need my strawberries. Well, not my strawberries. My grapes.
Yeah, the two eating his grapes. I'm about to cook some hamburger helper. I cut the eye on that thing got hot fast. I'm about to cook us some hamburger helper. So cooking with Deekay, full of steak right now because I'm hungry. Cheeseburger macaroni. And I'm gonna make us some cornbread. And okay, so this one I'm finna cook, y'all. I have to get the water. It's a 1 1/4 cup of water. Hold on. So this is gonna cook. Yeah, I think that's what okay, that's it. So this is 1 cup. And then 4 cups. One cup and 1/4 cup. I'm gonna clean this out because it's hard to get the popcorn later. And then, oh, and then it says 2 cups of milk. Oh, I probably should have got some more milk. I probably should have got some more. 22. So this is the milk now. So this automatically milk alcohol. You keep that cereal anyway, we should have got some more milk. I don't know how to make the cornbread now. But that'll be enough. That'll be okay. While these noodles are cooking, I'm gonna cook the noodles. Okay. Play like this. And then we just gonna with some lotteries and some other powder. When I'm seasoning my meat, I season for different reasons, y'all. So, like, right now I'm finna season with garlic. I mean, not garlic. Lard and onion powder because that shit is good. But like if I was cooking like some pasta, I would probably do like Cajun and stuff like that. Like Cajun. I was cooking some pasta, but I'm just cooking hamburgers with them. Dang, I gotta see if my mom and them got some milk. But we need some 500. 1/3 coconut. I need a little bit. Dang, I'm mad about this though. D2, do you want cornbread?
Oh, what's cornbread?
What's cornbread? Bread.
No.
Bread.
Yeah, I like it.
You like cornbread?
Yeah.
Let me call you for in a bit. Okay, y'all, I'll come back to y'all once this is almost done. I'll call y'all back. Okay, y'all, so my mama did have some milk, so boom, we're gonna cook our Cornbread.
Mama.
What? Yeah. I really this and make them like little cupcake things, but
Oh, Mama,
have
what's cupcakes today?
vegetable oil. Or I just use this. Doesn't really matter.
Mama, are those good?
What?
Do those taste good?
With these?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They taste good.
Tastes like cornbread.
Ew, I never had the green one.
Chips?
Yeah.
You want some?
I'm not going to. Yeah.
You want some right now?
No.
Oh, okay.
I was about to get peppermint.
Oh.
Peppermint. Can you open this?
Hold on.
Yeah. At least I got it. Alright. I got. I don't need to.
You don't need one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, that one there. Okay, let me make this. Let me give me some eggs. I think I'm supposed to use 2 eggs. Oh, 1 egg. 1 egg. So let's make our cornbread. And 1/2. A third is. I got 2/3. What?
Can you take this off?
Third is.
Huh? Can you take this off?
What?
Can you take this off?
Not right now. I'm gonna take it off. Give me a second. I'll put this one. This one.
But I tear it up.
A little bit more. Okay.
Dang. What is it? Well.
I gotta stir this up. Like, I gotta stir this up. Welcome. Okay, y'all, I'll come back to y'all when the food done because it's almost done. I just gotta cook our I literally just gotta cook the cornbread and we'll be good to go. Ready? So, see y'all in a minute. Okay, y'all, so the food is really done. We just waiting on our cornbread, but the hamburger helper is complete. And it's so good. Like, it's too good. You know I had to taste it. Yeah.
No.
That's buzzing. That's good. That's too good. I'm good. It be blowing my mind that I really can cook now. I'm really grown. I'm really, really grown. I'm gonna eat some chips though while I'm waiting on the cornbread. I brought these cheddar cheese.
Hi, y'all.
I bought these cheddar cheese Pringles. I might, no, I'm finna eat a little bit of these. But they're good. They're busting. I'm hungry. So the food need to come on. I meant the cornbread need to come on. I'm hungry. But yeah. Come on.
Huh?
I was going to them right now.
What the?
I'm
What
going
the?
back to the gym. I did. 1, 2. Hey! That's what I said. Get it out of here. I'm gonna throw it away. It's fine. You're gonna wake up one day and all your boss gonna be gone. Do you want chip?
No. But I can pray.
So your bottle is supposed to be down here. You know that. You keep trying me. It's okay. You can get a whooping. Okay, wait a minute. Hey y'all, I never closed my video out, so I'm coming to close it out because I'm about to start a new one. But this video, big thumbs up. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video. Yeah, bye.